Disruptive Teaching. Today we're going to talk about another free Chrome extension. So again, just like always, in order to get this extension, you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. The extension that we are going to talk about today is called Momentum. So when you search for Momentum, it's going to look like this. Again, you'll have the Add to Chrome button. Once you have added this extension, it is going to look like this on your toolbar. It is a pretty little M. When I click on Momentum, it's going to open up a new tab for me each time. You are going to see on the tab when you open it, it's going to have a different background. You're going to see what Momentum does is changes the background of each one of your new tabs to the Momentum screen. The way this works is you can go ahead and customize the background. You can add links up here on the left-hand corner, so anything that you'd like to link out so you have it ready. You can change the settings on the backgrounds and what's available. So you can add your bookmarks bar, searches, quotes, mantras. You have quite a few different things that you can add here on your screen. You can put in your location to get your weather, and you can even add a to-do list for yourself. So again, I've added for the day eat and run just kidding. Once you are finished here, you actually can write here, what is your main focus for today? And you can have a quote. So there's a whole bunch of different things you can change. It's just kind of a nicer background for a tab every time that you open one to be reminded about your focus for the day and your to-do list all here in one place.